Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you the most feature-packed smartphone gimbal you will ever see. 400-gram payload, all the possible gimbal modes, low-angle mode, magnetic fill light, and also has RGB colors. AI sensor tracking without needing to download an app, 0.91-inch OLED display, supports phone charging, 18-hour battery life, and A to B waypoint motion time-lapse. This is the Hohem iSteady M6, so let's talk about it. Before we get to the juicy part, can we just appreciate how dope the design is on this gimbal? It looks stealthy, but at the same time has these cool design elements that make it stand out, especially the elements in red. It feels good in the hands, phone mount is secure, and the size is actually perfect for my taste as well. Setting it up, let's talk about the juicy part, the features. Not only does Hohem iSteady M6 have all the possible gimbal modes built into it, follow mode, lock mode, hand follow mode, POV mode, vortex mode, all of them work extremely well. Not once did the gimbal struggle even when I put it through all those crazy dynamic shots I did, and that allows you to film close to the ground even with the ultra-wide angle camera without the motors appearing in the shots. Which is awesome if you want it times, and that's it, you're in low angle mode. No need to rebalance the gimbal or anything. If you want to get into the portrait mode, just rotate your phone on the gimbal sideways and you're also good to go. If you accidentally tap the trigger way too many times, then your phone will tap the trigger and it will recenter it, and then you can start again from there. Check the OLED display on the gimbal to see what mode you are in, and again, you're good to go. Alright, enough talking, let's show you some awesome footage we got with this gimbal. Fill light. We decided to film a cooking was moving through the kitchen, and the best part is you don't no need for a power bank anymore, and got some awesome and most importantly, more fun.